Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is an unboxing video, which is one of my favourite things to do. I have been fortunate enough to be gifted this Knit in the Box subscription from Knit in the Box. Bit of a mouthful. They offer loads of different options. This is the ladies box for the month of April, so let's have a look and see what's inside. If you like what you see, go and grab yourself one. There's a link down in the description. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. So we are going to dive on into April's box. What I really love is the level of detail of the fact that they've gift wrapped it and they have this really cute sticker that says Knit in a Box and has their logo and everything. Which obviously I've just destroyed. And it looks like the theme of this box is Spring Awakening, and look at how beautiful this looks. So let's dive on in and see what is inside. What I really love is that each box comes with a card which is basically the theme of the box, and then on the other side it does also contain the list of patterns and the yarn that is in the box, which is always good because it means you've got it to refer back to as well, and it's got the website if you want to check out Knit in the Box. In this month's box we have 5 skeins of the Hatfield yarn in the shade 0432. It doesn't have a nice fancy name, but it is this really stunning double knitted yarn, which it just is the colour of summer, which I am so ready for. I don't know about anyone else, but I have had enough of the rain, and we've had a really good couple of weeks in the UK where it's just been sun and more sun and even more sun, and this yarn literally embodies that, which is perfect. So I'm really excited to see what the patterns are for this. So one of the things that is really cute about these is not only do you get the yarn and the patterns, which we will get to the patterns, I promise, you also get loads of little goodies, which I appreciate every single time because I love snacking, and snacking is one of my favourite things to do. So the snacks that we have are the Maltesers mini bunnies. I don't know why that was such a mouthful. And we also have some eclairs, and as I dropped on the floor earlier, a dark chocolate toffee, which I am a huge fan. Sorry if you can see the ring light and Rocket and Luna's cat carrier. We've been having a lot of fun trips to the vets recently. They're all okay now, finally, but the house is still chaos. So we have lots of Easter themed goodies in here. We have these really yummy looking Malteser bunnies. I love Maltesers. I just love the malt flavour. If I could just buy malt in the sweet form, I don't want like malt vinegar, but just what's inside a Malteser and eat that, I would be there. I would be so happy. So they've got white chocolate bunnies. And what is super sweet, I don't know if this is, it is a trinket dish, which is great because I've actually started wearing jewellery, like these lovely earrings my boyfriend made for me. I absolutely love that. It is Easter themed, but also super cute, so that is going to look fantastic with some jewellery on it. I promise I am done with the snacks, so we're going to look at the pattern now. So this pattern is from Hayfield. So we're going to get that out, and there is also a secondary pattern from Hayfield as well. I thought on the card it said it was a Sidar pattern, but maybe they're the same brand, and if they are, I did not know that. I will have to do some research after this video. So now I'm in my field of yarn. Let's have a look at the pattern. So the first one we have is a sweater, which you can obviously see the gradient of the yarn within it, which is really stunning. And if we have a bit of a deeper dive, so it has the different sizes, which is obviously really handy. And if I open this up, we've got the different measurements, the pattern pieces that are required, and then obviously all the stitches and bits and bobs that we need to know to actually work the garment. It looks like it is just in stockinette and rib and garter stitch. I make that sound like that there wasn't too much there. So it looks like it's worked in 3 different stitches. But this looks like quite a simple pattern, so clearly this month's box is maybe a bit more beginner friendly than last month's, which there is a video I will link somewhere around here for you to check out. But I am a huge fan of being given pattern booklets like this that you can actually keep and use and doodle on if you need to. I'm definitely the type of person who has to cross off my rows, so I really appreciate getting stuff like this that I can put in my stash if I want to give it to someone else who I know will really enjoy it. I can do that and it seems a lot nicer than the printout. So I really enjoy getting patterns like these. So on to pattern number 2, which is also a Hayfield pattern. So this is pattern number 2, which is also from Hayfield, and this one is sort of more like a tunic-y vest. This is pattern number 2, which, as I said, is more of a tunic-y jumper vest type thing. This is probably not my style, even though I love making vests. I think I will be definitely working this pattern. The one thing that is worth knowing about these boxes is that they only give you enough yarn to sort of make one of the patterns. So you have the 2, you can make a choice and knit away whichever one suits you best, which I do really enjoy. It gives you the option. Plus, if you really like the yarn and you really like the patterns, because you get this little card, you can obviously work out what you need and make the other pattern, which is really nice. So this is the second one, and again it literally gives you all the bits of information like every other pattern ever would. So you get your tension and needle suggestions, sizing, all that jazz. So that is everything in this month's box. Let me know what you think. I definitely am going to be enjoying casting this on, eating away at these lovely Malteser sweets, and I am really looking forward to seeing how this comes out, because this is such a stunning yarn. It's definitely giving spring summer vibes, and it also matches my hair, which I can appreciate. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one, and I will see you soon. Bye!